Today I will show you how to make the measurement, angle measurement, on hose with two fittings. So the first thing I should do is I select the hose, and you will see on both ends of the hose two work planes, and those work planes both have one blue and one red axis. So what we should do is we should select one of the axes. It doesn't matter which one, blue or red, and align it to a point on the fittings. In this case, I align it just optically by rotating, the red axis on this fitting, and then I switch to the next work plane, and I do the same alignment. So I should align again. I did the same thing now, as you see, and that's it. Actually, we align both work planes now, and now with one click, we can just make the measurement. Yes, see, this is the angle, the relative angle. Just to show you how if this is correctly working, I will just go and now change the angle position. I rotate one of the fittings a little bit more, select the harness, and I go and just rotate the end part, rotate it here another 30 degrees. Okay, so we had 50, now it will be like 80, and I do the same thing now. I go to the angle measurement, select the hose, the work planes are visible, and I take the first work plane and rotate one of the axes. It doesn't matter which one. I rotate, okay, to this point, and then I go to the next one, and I rotate it to this point, okay. All right, and now I just again will do the measurement. For the measurement, you just simply say find the angle. Okay, here you see 30 degrees. Because we do the optical alignment, 1 degree can differ.